Again, please.
I just did.
I can see it. Guys, later he knows how to dance, guys.
You like these short pants, huh? Actually, maybe those are different pair of short pants.
They told me it was more.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning. Good morning, guys. I have to shut this light off. Everything needs to be on. What time is it? 7? Almost 8 o'clock. Late akong nagising, guys. 7 something. And yeah, hindi pa. We're gonna go out. We're gonna go to Walgreens quick.
Refrigerator in the house.
Oh, you have one over there.
It's for the refrigerator right there. The house is dark. The light burned out.
Okay, so
Well, I'm saying that's why I brought it back.
I thought you bring it. You bought it.
No, well, it's supposed to come into this house at all.
Okay.
The appliance bulb.
We're gonna pick up some bagel too, and then come here because I still need to clean up my nails, my foot, my toenails. Today is Thanksgiving Day,
2
guys.
nails. What about the other 8? You don't only clean up 2 nails. Ah, come on. Clean up all 10 nails, not 2 nails.
Anyway, guys, happy Thanksgiving. Say happy Thanksgiving, and it's Thursday.
Happy Thursday. It's Thanksgiving.
Happy Turkey Day.
Poor little turkeys.
Yeah, did you hear that? Did you see that advertised like the turkey knock in the police station?
No.
And the police station and do like this tick tick knock, knocking in the door.
You're pecking it.
Yeah, and then what happened was this police guy. He took a video and he said, "Sorry, Tom." He said, "Sorry, Tom. Even the police station cannot help you." Today we're going to my sister-in-law's house. That's where we're gonna spend our, dinner. We're gonna have dinner over there for Thanksgiving. Oh my God, the sun.
Windy.
It's windy? I cannot see. It's windy. Hi guys, it's so weird, guys, because usually it's busy. The road, a lot of cars. But ngayon, as in, maihap lang. It's very a little. It's like 1, 2, 3 now I see. Plus us 4. It's so quiet. Usually the road is full of. Allah, maybe they're not open. Allah, they're not. Probably they are. Look at some few cars over there.
I think they should be.
Allah, they're not. There's no cars. Yeah, it doesn't say. Huh? They look open.
There's cars there.
Okay, they're open.
Yeah, 8 o'clock.
Even it's holiday, they're open.
Yeah, probably short hours too.
Anyway, guys, we're just gonna go pick up some CDs or DVD because I have some wedding videos I edited from his nephew. So we're gonna give it to him because he's gonna be in his mother's house. So, yeah. Yung kasal ba, nag-video ako and then in-edit ko siya and then ibibigay ko sa kanya kasi I think no one does videos, no one doing videos, so that's why I did video.
Get back into the hole in the bottom.
It's dirty. I don't know. It's botanic. Oh, this is for the lips. Oh, meron sila mga asin on TV here, guys. Charcoal. For lips?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. It's just Akif. They ask him, maybe they know. That's not it.
I know, that's one.
Yeah, but get the one that it works for you. Hey guys, look at this. Lucky. Russell Stover's. How much is this? Lucky assorted fine chocolates. 50% off. Wala mong presyo eh. Finally, we've been like turning around the store.
You want Dunkin' Donuts instead?
Why I want Dunkin' Donuts?
Donuts?
They're close.
They're not close. They don't require that. Bagel place might be close. They're not close. We can get egg sandwiches ready to go.
Okay, that's good.
Do that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Watch out this guy.
I see.
Dunkin' Donut guys for breakfast dito kami. Ito na lang yung breakfast namin, Dunkin' Donut. Meron din kasi silang sandwich doon, oh, yan. Sandwich.
Yeah, whole milk, please.
Guys, tignan nyo guys, kapag si Tami talaga yung bili guys ng mga donut, na mga donut me, donut touch me. Ang dami guys, oh. Dito kami sa Dunkin' Donut. Hello, eh. It's a lot of people here guys. This is their breakfast because later on they eat turkey.
Good, they figured out something good now.
They will eat a lot of turkey later, so that's why they have this, how do you call this, donut thing. But people love donut though. Hello, there's a lot of pile of snow. Look. A big pile of snow guys. Ang dami guys, hindi yan those snow, that snow right there.
That's because when the plow out their driveway, they gotta push it somewhere. So
That won't melt guys because it's so freaking cold. Do you want me to hold your cup? Let me hold your cup. You have to ask me, Han.
I figure your hands will full camera.
He picked up the one that I like. Kumquat. It's because when you eat it, because when you eat it, there is a nice inside a cocoa.
Chocolate and hazelnut.
Chocolate and hazelnut inside. Oh my god, it's good, especially when it's hot, because when you eat it, it's like it drips like sugar.
Oh, you did too much yours.
You never say happy Thanksgiving to them, you just said something.
Happy Thanksgiving, guys. I hope none of you have a pet turkey that's going to have to sacrifice himself.
Pet turkey, that's really sad, hon. No one have a pet turkey.
Look at all the pigs that get sacrificed too. Ham is also very big on Thanksgiving.
Huh?
Ham is also very big on Thanksgiving.
Oh, I have some question, hon.
People don't like turkey.
No one explained this to me.
Go ahead.
Why Thanksgiving you only have to do the turkey? Why turkey?
Really?
Why not chicken or pork or pig or
Because
goat?
when the pilgrims settled in this country and the native Indians were here, they sat down and that's when they had turkeys. So they cooked a bunch of turkeys and they sat down together.
Because your voice, oi?
The Indians and the pilgrims sat down together and that was their first meal of peace together. Turkey.
So turkey is now, it's like because they eat turkey, that's what you're gonna eat too, turkey.
Well, things change. People, this generation, you got generation now and they'll have fish. Like lamb is traditional Christmas dinner. But you see a lot of people don't have lamb for Christmas, right?
So yun guys, so now I know. It's crazy thing. They eat turkey because the before people, the Indian people. The before
people.
The Indian people.
To be 3 people.
Eat the turkey. So now people also follow eat turkey. Eat a lot of rice and dried fish. You'll be happy. What? In Thanksgiving. Han, you never complain me cooking dried fish inside the house, right?
No.
You don't act like, oh my god, no.
No.
Yeah.
And yes, guys, it does stink.
Stinks, but he doesn't.
Really stink.
He doesn't.
Even my wife cooks and says, "Oh, this house really stinks now." Guys, this is my wife.
Again, Han, please, Han.
I just did.
I can see it. The good dog.
I'm with the camera. How we gotta be on camera?
Guys, later he knows how to dance, guys. He knows how to wiggle tiny. Huh? Wiggle.
Make my coffee now.
Uy, my God, tabian ng luha.
Oh, look at that.
The other neighbor.
Nice toy dog.
Tabian! Mga tabian! Anyway guys, I'm just gonna get ready guys. And yeah, kasi alis kami dito. What time we were leaving here? 2? So we went, this is what Tommy did guys. He buy a DVD. And the video of the wedding, he put it here. Look. Get your din din. Yeah, happy Thanksgiving. A lot of food. Happy Thanksgiving. This one too. Happy Thanksgiving, Rox. Happy Thanksgiving, baby. Mitty. Why you have to drop it on the floor, huh? Huh?
What?
Miss, this is kind of hot, hun. Huh? It's dust. It's not. I'm gonna carry this because I have a lot of here.
Right, if you think it's too warm, then you might want to wear a shirt under it so you take it off if you get warm.
No, I don't have nothing here. But I know
That's what I'm
Andrea.
saying, you might want to put a shirt under it.
No, it's okay. I know Andrea's house. Is everything inside?
Was it on the windowsill? I know they didn't walk inside the house. It was right there in the in that hallway. How long the guy wants to sit there at that stoplight?
A bird poop.
Bird poop there. Oh, here?
Why is that?
No, yeah. Regular bird poop.
I know, but sometimes it's thin.
I think they wait for you outside the garage since you don't feed them.
Yeah, right.
And then they poop on your garage.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say.
Oh God, stop your whining. I said, you know, get a dog, you're not gonna ever be able to come back here.
Swiss.
I don't know.
Salami. What's up? Salami. What's up? This is just salami.
And what is the hummus?
Hummus is right.
Hummus.
You know what it is?
What? Oh, it's the thing.
I got him the baby. Yeah, they're supposed to be coming. I mean, I don't
What do you put here? What did you do?
Crackers.
Crackers?
Yeah.
You like these short pants, huh? Actually, maybe those are different pair of short pants.
What short
You have pants that are so short on you.
Yeah, and a lot of them are too long on me.
Good.
Brand new. I don't know who gives them to me.
Masarap siya, guys. This one right
Chickpeas,
here. Chickpeas. Masarap siya. That looks good.
There's a grandma's gift for the baby in there, so you gotta be all in that room.
Their nanny.
No, well now it's only $100. They told me it was more money from time order. So instead of 207, I went to.
Hi, Pico. What are you doing, Pico? Pico.
I did speak to retention.
Pico. What are you doing?
The other day.
I thought about that price about to bring.
Oh, yeah, why
make sure my years up.
Why are they charging?
Always on mine.
Why are they
That's why I
charging
get
us
the one my baby
$6 for internet?
So I can get a sweet bonus, that's why. Yeah, well, that's it.
And like I said, I would
Hi, Pico.
To take this monopoly off of everybody.
There's no monopoly, go get files. Just go up over.
I want to do that 4 doors.
There's something inside, guys. Merong sa loob sa bula. Gusto niyang kunin. Pero hindi niya makuha. Kawawang Pico.
She's just getting her cable through the Roku. Still charging her.
Right, but she's not paying for the television channel.
She's not paying for the box, she's paying for the channel.
I pay for the
Yeah, she's getting her.
No, I kept my
Guys, this is what happened, guys, when you have party.
You get to clean?
You get it
Before and
clean
after?
and cook and stuff. Okay, I'm gonna do interview.
No, don't have to be me. You might
What
want
are
to
you?
wait.
What are you?
You might want to wait.
No, now while you're doing something.
No, looking at someone else's house. Oh, wait, I think I like that. See? Let me tell you about that wrong answer.
You wanna see her, guys? She's right there. This is it.
Torrents, put them on the hard drive, right?
Yeah, that's right. That was download.
Yeah.
But they actually stream your stuff.
Oh yeah, they have streaming stuff. I don't know.
Was it
I don't
like
think
the
it's
channel?
crazy, but still.
What?
Did you move? What did you do? What did you do?
What did you say? That's weird.
Lift this
Thing.
up, you light the candle.
And
Oh, it's a candle on the glass.
oh, that's nice.
bowl.
And you can hold it on top.
Well, no, this is so the bottle rides up.
Yeah, that's weird. It's nice.
I know how to hold it in because you know what? Someone used to tickle me until I peed in my pants when I was little. So now
Time to clean, guys. Cleaning time.
Well, it's custard. Easy with the custard. We don't. You filming?
Go. Hi, Pico! Oh my God, guys. Pauwi na kami, guys. Pero, yung nandun pa sila sa taas. Ang ginaw. Gas in. Wala akong coat. Ito lang yung suot ko. Ang ginaw. And then, nandun pa sila dun. Nag-usap-usap. And then, ay nako, talagang buhay na to. Meron pa akong, ano dito, walker. May ice pa, oh. Snow. Naging ice na yan, guys. Ice na to.
Dude, they shouldn't have it.
Ice. But anyway, so yun, andun na sila. Okay, guys. Come here. It's so cold. Cold. Yeah, I was just gonna say sobrang ginaw, guys. As in, ginaw. Eating my flesh. Ito, ginaw na to. Hi guys, we are here. Mag-ilis lang ako, guys. Yeah, punta ako sa taas kasi magbihis. Si Tami nanonood muna ng TV. Yan. Ito yung binili ko sa ano pala, guys, itong damit. Binili ko sa saan ba ko? Saan ko ba to nabili? Sa Costco. Ang ganda niya. Look, sa Costco siya. Ano siya, yung baggy ba? I mean, you know, it's loose. It's really pang ginaw talaga, as in sobrang komportable niya. And yeah, sa Costco ito, ma'am, hindi man siya ano, I like the color kasi you know, ganito. So yan, magbihis lang ako and then mag-wash sa mukha ko and yun. And nag-sweater na naman ako balik dahil ang ginaw. Punta tayo ulit sa baba. Kasi andun pa si Tami. busog sa Turkey, guys. Ang saya kasi pag mag-family gathering talaga, masaya talaga. Okay, guys, I'm going to end this vlog. Hindi ko na anuin si Tami kasi pagod. And anyway, nagka-oil itong mukha ko kasi nilagyan ko ng vitamin E oil. Thank you, guys. Salamat, guys. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Good night, guys. Good night. See you in my next one. Happy Turkey Day again. Bye-bye. Good night. Bye-bye.
So rock